Morning team, what's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. Now in today's vlog today's mom's birthday and yeah, it's going pretty well for her. Today we're at Secret Resorts. I believe it's a couple's resorts and all that. I'm not staying with her, but she's doing her thing, and I'm just a stop by for just the night to, you know, help her celebrate her birthday. Orion is going to be here in a few, and I'm actually late. We have dinner. We have dinner at 9, and it's currently 9. I believe it's a couple minutes after 9. I just came back from the gym, and I go with a quick shower, and then go down to eat. But first, let me show you guys the room. It's mom's room still, so I really know. Can't show on a boy. Look a nice thing. Look a nice thing for the most part. Gang. Yeah, down there look a patio, like on a balcony, like one look a bit. Yeah, I'm just crashing. Wow, this is nice. Just crashing temporarily. Just happy birthday, mom, and yeah. Outfit of the night. Outfit of the night. Your boy is classic. Alright, I'm late, man. I forgot right now. Alright. Ready. On my way. Alright. Always in the camera, man. Always in the camera vlog. One day. First floor.
Sedalia Booker!
Who?
Sedalia Booker! I did. And? You didn't say we couldn't choose.
You can't Google the answer, sir.
I was already Googling it. I wasn't Googling
No Googling the answer.
Yeah, my G.
Alright.
So we're outside. We're going to eat at the Japanese restaurant tonight, which is somewhere further that side. And yeah, I believe they're having a question and answer right now. You win some prize or something like that. Like, my G, I want to win like a 2-night stay or something like that, my G. But for now, as I said, the focus is mom's birthday, and we got a little surprise for her, but she doesn't know, like a surprise festivity, like. But yeah.
Miami where?
So nobody wants me to film. Don't know why. I'll just film myself. Okay. Sit beside me, sure, man.
Well,
Shot. So we're at the restaurant, and we're just waiting on our Japanese guy, like my guy over there.
sure,
Whip up something for us real quick. For now, just having a little chit chat session. Just holding a vibe, you know?
Alright, it's a pleasure having you here at the Mitsu restaurant. My name is Raymond, and I'm going to be the server on the grill this evening, alright? The chef cooking up for you would be Asani, alright? So we have 2 soups serving tonight. We have the miso soup, and spicy, and we have the hot and sour shrimp soup, which is spicy. So I'm going to take your soup orders along with your drink. Start with this young gentleman, right? Sir.
Is that the same? Is that the same thing as the tonkai chicken soup? The tonkai chicken soup. Similar. You sure? Alright, give me the meat.
My name is Asani and I'm going to be a cook for tonight, okay?
Okay.
Which I'm just going to be a cook. I'm not really a singer, okay?
Okay. Okay, my G. That's my G. That's my G.
No, I'm not going to do that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. Thank you very much for coming to this one, okay?
My G.
There you go. Alright, my name is Asani and I'm going to be a cook for tonight, okay?
Alright.
Before I start cooking, I would like to ask, do you have food allergy?
No.
Nuts? I got water chestnut. That's okay, right? That's great? Alright, there you go. Thank you very much. I'll sit right relax and enjoy.
I'm allergic to bad mind people.
Actually, and it's how much good you get one, sir? Yeah, sit right relax and enjoy.
Is this hot? Is this hot right now?
Very hot right now. There you go.
Alright.
Shrimp only. A little chicken, no beef. No problem. Right?
Everything for right.
Okay, how are you, bro?
Anything the lady in red is having. I'm working with the lady in red tonight, which is mom. My G. My
You
G.
got some vegetable oil, okay? Whatever you see you don't like, you just tell me and I fix it, okay?
I don't like. I don't like.
Huh? Yeah, whatever you don't like, you tell me and I fix it.
I don't like the oil. I like.
No problem. There you go. There you go. You got some
My G.
There you go.
My G.
Right here, we have the vegetable roll, and, which is cucumber and carrot. We have the...
Yeah, man. Wheel and come again. Wheel and come again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Selene. Happy birthday to you.
Every time.
Happy birthday to you.
There you go. I can see
Sushi, some.
rain is gone.
Yeah.
I can see all obstacles in my way. Yeah. On the dark clouds that have been gone.
Already been away.
Sunshine day. Ooh yeah, it's gonna be bright. Sunshine day. Ooh yeah, here we go now. Ooh. Ooh. I say yeah. I say yeah. I say yeah now. I say yeah.
Asian. Come on, Shirley.
Oh,
Learn it.
There you go.
Shit, what? That's not how you do it. Repeat? No. I can't. I'm not going to embarrass myself. Alright, rice time. Alright, go. What is it?
Salt and pepper. There we go.
You want pepper? Yes,
Is it? No, I don't want no pepper. I'm feel. Get up with it. Okay, something like. Wait, chopstick again. Something like this. Wait. I'm not Asian, boy. I'm fully black.
Right, man.
Wait.
Go.
See here. Yeah. No, I'm Asian.
We don't have no filter. But you put up make just try it. Just try it.
I knew I should have left this alone. I should have left this alone. Okay, let me play this off now. I can't swallow. I cannot swallow. Oh, let me play it off. Let me try. Okay, yup. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, bro. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, best favorite. Still at it. I'm still trying. Okay. I survived. This social thing is just not me. Singing don't worry, don't you worry about a thing. Copyright. I'll pass on that. But this one is spicy.
Yeah, nice.
It's nice. Alright.
It's not spicy, just have a dash of
Chef,
Yes, sir.
can you give me change that to the shrimp?
No problem.
corn is to fix it.
Okay, no, I get it.
Make that with the rest.
I'm trying to compare to something.
Rainbow?
Trying to compare to something, but I can't think of anything. Oh, you like this one?
Well,
I don't know. This Asian and Japanese thing is getting to me. Although Japanese people are Asian people, but this Asian thing is killing me. Andre is not champagne.
where Jamaicans don't serve champagne, they serve good.
I was going to throw in a fun fact in it.
They're just joking. Man, do you think? Do you think?
Huh? No, that's alright. I'm just saying that champagne is only champagne when it's made in champagne.
Champagne is only champagne
When it's made in champagne.
Pardon? They can't.
Yeah. Yeah, fun fact. So this is the aftermath from my guy.
I don't mind the pepper.
So my guy is doing some
Black one
shrimp.
is soy sauce and the white one is ginger.
Oh, you have some sauces over there, so but my guy is doing some shrimp now. And we're gonna add it to this this I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, shrimp with this, and that's how we're gonna enjoy our night eating right here.
Very much compliment Jamaica. I really appreciate it. Okay?
Thank you.
Welcome, my guy.
Thank
My
you.
guy. My guy.
You did well.
Even though I can't eat off
On
the
behalf
food.
of my chef, Osani, and myself, Raymond, your server, it is my utmost pleasure to serve you. And I want to give a big shout out to the birthday girl.
Hey,
Thanks for coming to us. Do enjoy the rest of your evening, rest of your vacation while it lasts, alright?
Alright, thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
My
Definitely.
guy.
You finish your lady?
My lady, are you finished? Still
Yeah,
working?
man, we're still working.
Alright.
Hey, work in progress. Hey, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
party like it's your birthday.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Melanie. Happy birthday to you. Alright, happy birthday. Thank you so much. Welcome.
Let's make a wish. Make a wish.
Anything? Yes, he's coming.
My guy. That's my guy right there, man. That's my guy right there.
She has beautiful.
Alright, final dessert. Yeah. So that concludes the little late night dinner session with mom. Happy birthday, mom, again. We ate at Aimitsu. What's it pronounced? Yeah, happy birthday, mom. This is from your son Dashan, your firstborn, not your one and only, your Orion. Photo session has been taking place right up there, so happy birthday, mom. We're at Secrets. Secret was amazing. This experience is amazing. I love over here, so I love people them over here. It's amazing. And the hospitality is beyond measures, my guy, beyond measures. For now, I'm gonna hit up the club there right here, so and get my groove on, you get me? And probably I'm showing you, you know what? Not probably, but after, I'm gonna show you the rest of the resort. There's a little montage, like a little thing, and then I have work in the morning, so I'm gonna head out. So I'm gonna end the vlog here now. This is a birthday vlog for my mother whilst I'm at Secret. Team Ismash, hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I know it's not much, but please do appreciate it. I try to do these vlogs. I do these vlogs every week, and I'm back. Team Ismash, love you guys. Appreciate you guys. You guys are family. Subscribe if you're new. Team Ismash, thanks for watching this vlog. I'm out. It's lit.
Stop the just to start.